Hi there, Michael here. So today I want to talk about what a business in a box is by Clickfunnels, and how that's been able to help me make more of a passive income and help me build a home-based business. And so right here, if you're looking at the screen, you're taken to my funnels dashboard, one of my funnels dashboard, and this is going to be my business in a box. So, we have the opt-in page on the left, you have the thank you page, the disclaimer, and then the privacy policy, which is going to be included in your ready to go made business. And so I'm going to go ahead and go to click edit page here, just show you how that looks from the front end. So this would be your opt-in page right here when you get your ready to go business. It would look similar to this. Not all of them look like this, but this is the one I have under me and my mentor. And so this is the one that I would use. You put your information in there, you go to the next page, and then here's where the real magic happens. So once they opt in, shoulders have been hurting a little bit lately. So if you give the loading editor for here for a second, we're taken to the back board here. And so basically, if we look at the actual preview of how it looks, this is what you're going to be getting. So you're going to be assigned a free coach. You're going to be getting lesson 1, lesson 2 here, how you can win your dream car, an intro, revised for inspiration. This is an actual very good video, just about 6 to 7 months ago. I ran into a business in a box and I went away from it only traditionally because I was doing affiliate marketing and I was trying to build a different business at the time before I got back to this. And it only made sense for me to come back to this because I was working on Instagram for some time for a social media management service tool called Few Leads. And I connected this business in a box with that social media management tool. And I thought, okay, well, let me connect them both and see how I can do. And I've been doing well from there on out. And so here's the guy who helps me, who talks you through and makes you understand just.
Hello and welcome to Business in a Box. I'm
Spencer here.
I'm so excited to show you the system that I've developed.
You can even get a consultation
to make a full-time passive income, $4,000 to $5,000 every single month with no work, right? I did put a lot of work up front, and I'm going to hand you all that work that I've done, the whole business that I've created to get me to where I'm at right now. Sign up, and if they sign up, then that company gives us a cut of the money. Okay, it needs to flow in. So we're going to promote 4 different products in this business. They are awesome products. You can feel good promoting them. Tons of entrepreneurs use them. So we're going to promote 4 of them. And not only are we going to promote them, but I'm going to give you everything you need to promote them easily. Okay, I'm going to give you a website, or it's going to be called a sales funnel, but I'm going to hand it to you. You click one button, and it's all set up for you, ready to go. I'm going to show you how to do everything you need after that to plug in email sequences. I'm going to give you the email sequences that you can then send out to people to be able to get them to sign up. I'm going to give you all the training you need, and you'll literally be able to have your entire business set up in a matter of a few hours, and you could easily be getting people by tomorrow to sign up for us, okay?
So basically what he's going over, if you were hearing that, he gives you 4 ready to go affiliate tools, and these are affiliate tools that a lot of people want, and I use them before I got into a business in a box. And like I said, again, I was working on my passive income for a different niche that I was in. I already had all these, I had it already down. So when this came into the mix, I was like, this is another way for another way for me to make another multiple stream. So as we go down, this is your video, or I'm not going to show you all, but it's just.
You're the best, buddy. I'll talk to you soon. Tons of Ferraris in here, and rented a 328i. Let's check it out, see if I liked it.
So here they talk about how you can pretty much win your dream car if you hold a certain amount, and you keep bringing in more people, and it's not as hard as people make it seem. Spencer's done all the work for you up front. It's just you wanting to have to put effort. This is like having, a website, but a website through what is called Clickfunnels. If you don't know about Clickfunnels, I already have the description below that takes you through that. Um, but it's going to get you a ready to go website through ClickFunnels. You can connect with your coach. Here's another video that takes you for the first step, the secret course, and he talks about in this video just the secret. If you've been in affiliate marketing or anything, people try to promote the front end of a product. What he talks about in this video is just how you have to make ClickFunnels more than just, you have to promote more than just ClickFunnels itself. You have to offer more incentive behind it. What you're going to see with those 4 tools that I'm about to show you. But you have to target people more based on not just ClickFunnels. Of course, you want people who are interested in ClickFunnels, but you want to also attract people who are like ready to buy, and I teach you how to do that with my affiliate marketing website and all my affiliate marketing training that I had. I won't talk about the platform that I had all that affiliate training in, but I teach you how to do that to attract warm leads. You're going to get your affiliate secrets course. You're going to start with step 1 by getting your 14-day trial from ClickFunnels. It talks you through it. You're going to claim your site, your funnel. You're going to load your free business just like I'm showing you right here. Get your free domain. Number 4, you're going to sign up for your email autoresponder. So this is one of them right here. You're going to have your email sequence right here. And if I go ahead and click the import automation, and excuse me if there's like a watermark in the middle, it's just I'm just testing a different like screen software. And here you're going to get your emails. You're just going to be able to go through them and structure them the way for you and the way that your name and little things like that. But the rest is just in there for you already. 30-day trial, and I have Aweber. I've had Aweber, been using Aweber for my other sites. You're going to join Fuelleads. This is what attracted me to do it even more. I was using Fuelleads already, and so I thought, okay, I could combine a business in a box, and plus I was already using ClickFunnels to work it in through like opt-in pages and sales pages for my other niche in the inflammation industry, which is what I work on too. But this is, I've already mastered and I've already put this down into my repertoire, so I already know how to work with this. And so this is what attracted me. It's a social media management tool. It's going to automate your social media on the go, and it's going to be all real. It's all going to be organic. You're going to get leads. You're going to get people on your website. I have about, I know the desktop version doesn't have it, but it shows me how many I've had on my page in the last 7 days, and it's been about 500, which is really good. Udemy for solo ads, so you can get your ads out there. Again, join Aweber, and then step number 6, your final setup, which is the most important. Inserting your own affiliate links. So if you like, if I came back here, to the back end, I would be able to, click here, brings up a set to action, and I would get my affiliate link, which is how you're going to make the money, not the person who you signed up under. You're going to be able to configure that and put that under there. That's only after, if you haven't already, join those email autoresponders, the social media management tool, and the ads. So if you haven't joined those already, you'll get an affiliate link for them. And then, of course, we need to run traffic to our offers. So they teach you how to do ad running and ad training with Udemy. And it gives you a sample email right here, just in case, you don't know what to say to somebody. This actually does work. I've tried it myself. And sometimes it's a hit and miss with solo ads. So I also teach people how to make it, because I've already worked in the affiliate marketing industry. This is how I got started. And I teach people how to target their right audience for what they need. I've already messed with Facebook ads. I've already done Google, Bing, Instagram. I've been doing a little bit of Instagram lately, but I understand how to run different ads at different times for different people, for different demographics, how to get the right demographics, how to get the right targeted audience in front of you. So that's an advantage that you're going to have with me already. You're going to get Instagram training with Fuelleads, like I was talking about, how to self-automate it. See how much time. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I know I want to leave this short. I also have information on this in the link below, so make sure you check that out. You're going to get Instagram training part 2. This is where you're going to learn a little bit more about it. After registering them, you tell your support everything, what targeted audience you want to target, your direct message automation, your comments. And then down here, you're going to be able to join the ClickFunnels official group, join the official ClickFunnels affiliate Adventures group too. Yeah, just, if you see on the top right here, people are joining this. It's not a scam. It's nothing like that. You can do your research if you would like to. I've done it all already for you. In fact, I've already been doing this. So I don't see, I mean, it could come down to, you got to think about it as in like, what do you want for your business? What do you want moving forward? I didn't start here in the business in a box, but it only made more sense for me to do it because I had already built another niche and I was already working on ClickFunnels by creating ads, sales funnels, and things like that. So it only made sense for me now where I'm at to go into this. But you don't have to wait to start at something else and go there. You can start right here, right away, especially when you have me and Spencer. So you're going to get everything that you need here. And, one of the more advanced ways you're going to figure out in making money online, especially with affiliate marketing, is that times are changing and you're going to need sales funnels, often pages at one point that are more optimized. And that's where ClickFunnels comes in. The nature of ClickFunnels is just giving you more already ready to go funnels that you can put in there without messing around with it too much. And it's really good quality and it's good to go. So that's what you're going to be getting in a business in a box. This does work. You can market it the right way. There are a lot of people out there who want this. There are a lot of people who are looking for ClickFunnels, who are looking for this. So I can't see why you wouldn't be able to get anything done with this. So yeah, you would just opt in, read. Once you already opt in, you just go from the top to bottom and really just read through them carefully and really understand them if you're a beginner. And the thing about this that I like is that you can, as you're promoting this as an affiliate, you can promote this as an affiliate, which is great. But you can also use this if you have another business plan or if you're trying to help somebody else or you have something else going on. You can use this as, you can just use this as, creating funnels. That's what I like about ClickFunnels. To show you really quickly if you haven't already seen any of the ClickFunnels of the funnels here. So, I have, some of my opt-in pages that I've already created. So you can create anything. You can create so many. The 14 days is going to give you about 20 funnels, I believe it is. So, I've created all of these. So I've already given you stuff to go ahead and implement. They're ready to go. And so, you'd go here, you can add a new one, add a new funnel. You can either go to the Cook Builder or Classic. We'll try to go to the Cook Builder. You can select what funnel you'd like, see how easy this is. This is more for like creating funnels and selling and putting it on Facebook. You can already use a ready to go business in a box to advertise itself. So, I'd click over here and it'd take me to, I wanted to do retail and generate leads, and it'll take me to the one I want. It will explain more. Or I can go here and choose a live webinar replay, collect emails, sell your product, host a webinar. There's many things. And it comes with more digital assets. So you don't always have to promote ClickFunnels itself, affiliate in a box. You have all this. And the secret I'm going to tell you here is that one of the best ways to attract people is by giving them a free offer. So not just going in for it and telling them, oh, you should join ClickFunnels business in a box or just ClickFunnels itself. Getting them to opt into something like what I use is the Expert Secrets book. This one right here. So, these are your affiliate links. We can access that. I'm not going to go through all the ways of using ClickFunnels here. I'm just showing you different things you can use. But, you can use this book, which I have myself. I've read it already. It's a great read. A lot of people would want this. It's called Expert Secrets. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's your business in a box, and it works very well. I like it. I use it on the back end of things that I use to attract people who want a social media automation tool, who are already looking to start a business. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you.